Hey guys, Kasanta here, and today we're going to be checking out the video for the MGEX Strike Freedom Gundam. I know it came out a couple days ago, but we're going to go ahead and do our first impressions on it. We haven't even seen this before. Anyway guys, before we get into the video, check out the drip. Yep, we got new prototypes coming in. We're still testing it out. Let us know if you would be interested in something like this. We don't have them available just yet. We're still trying to work out the kinks, but it might be something to look forward to in the future. I'm kind of excited here. So I did hear that this is going to be like, it says metal expression. So are they just really like, we're going to put the most metal pieces ever in a Gunpla? All right, just going to pause here for a second. Last year, we were all like thinking about what's going to be the next kit? What's going to be the next extreme thing about it? And a lot of people just, I guess they wouldn't have guessed just like adding more metal. Now, the discussion is totally different. I'm thinking like maybe they're trying stuff out and like maybe the last final super PGEX or whatever, perfect grade extreme, or another Unleash is going to be like metal parts and LEDs and the next thing and the next thing, moving parts maybe. They're trying things, that seems like. They got the gold metallic dust. All right. I actually don't own any Freedom Gundams. Oh, look at that. Is this all metal? Obviously plastic. We have different layers here. 3 types of special processing. Copper, gold coating. Now, like gold coating, usually with these plated kits, like, they're so expensive, but it doesn't seem to be like super shiny. These videos are always so cool. With these EXs, I don't think like this is something that I would paint. Like I have the Unleash and I'm really thinking about, I might not even paint that because like I almost want to show off like their engineering. I can buy another MG normal Freedom and paint that if I want to. Adopted in the structure results large gaps between the armor parts, emphasize presence of the internal frame. All like on the top there. Gimmicks where the armor parts move in conjunction, seen in certain MG and RG kits, have been adopted in various sections of this kit. Look at that. I would paint this LB. Okay, hold on. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. But the fact that these are just snap-on, guys. You know they're gonna make a clear kit for this one. Is unleashed through gimmicks. Equipped with many attractive gimmicks created to enhance the highest metal expression. Just look at that. He's like, I need to see this thing out the box. I know this is like a render. This is just a rendering, but like, what the heck? I don't think I'm gonna paint this one. The hip ones are always first. Oh, that's a different one. What? Thank you. Okay, that was very important to show. This is pose that so many people do, especially with winged kits. For you gotta have that angelic pose where you're in the air. For some reason, your legs are always kind of like that. What? Okay, that's okay. It looks like it locks here. Okay. Okay. Obviously, this is going to be clear plastic, but is it going to be clear blue with pieces of clear pink put into it? The next one's going to be like the ultimate beam saber expression, the best beam sabers we've ever made ever. Look how much like gold inner frame that is. That's insane. And of course, you got to have a ton of it peeking out. Oh my gosh. I wonder if they're gonna give us the LED unit at least just for the head. Oh, I'm posing like that. That's what I'm talking about. That's the pose I was talking about. You gotta open it up. It'll just be in my case like that. 1,400 yen. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now, right now, the yen is kind of low comparative to the US dollar, so I don't know if this is going to cost significantly less for us, or we're just going to say, heck, we're just going to kind of stick to the normal. It's going to be about $140 or more. This is a lot less than the other Master Grade, but the other one had like, you know, light up gimmicks. It had a ton more stuff. I love the color of this unit. I was never a fan of like Gundam Seed, and like even the Freedom Gundam was kind of like mid-tier to me, but looking at this one is like some Super Saiyan crack. Like this this one's cracked out. Like look, oh my gosh. What the heck? I could see some people like throwing in some LEDs in here. This is a kit that I probably wouldn't, I don't think I would paint this and throw in a top coat just on the non-plastic, I mean the non-metallic parts. Like I'm not gonna touch those at all, just, but at the same time I need to see how this looks in person, because like sometimes like these gold, it says gold plating, these are all plated pieces, so like this might be like the best looking like metallic parts ever, because I have some Banshee pieces and some of those like with the gold injection, it just looks like, ugh, that looks insane. That's something that I'm definitely gonna try to pick up, guys. If you're interested in seeing me put this together, go ahead, throw it in the comments down below. Are you going to be getting this kit? What do you think about this kit? What do you think is going to be the next MGEX? How do you feel about this whole lineup in particular? Do you think like this is just something that they're just like a cash grab? All right, guys, so in the comments down below, go ahead and say, what do you think the next gimmick is going to be? I think they're always trying something new. So the next one's gonna be something different, and it might be like a culmination of something. You know, they always want to make it different, or at least like maybe like sound effects, like the most sound effects. You press the buttons on the back and then make sound effects, or like have different kind of, I don't know, sequences, and then it might culminate to some kind of crazy perfect grade Unleashed. Because I don't know if they're gonna do more perfect grades Unleashed. And honestly, Zeon, I don't really like Zeon. I'm a Fetty, but they need another perfect grade out there, so maybe they can get a perfect grade Unleashed with the Sharzaku. You know everyone's gonna rock. Get that immediately, and then of course make the Dom a perfect grade 2, or even a Kshatriya. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I know this is kind of a unique video. I just wanted to go ahead and give my opinions on this. I wanted to see what all the talk was about. And here it is. If you like videos like this, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. Well, we might do more. We might not do it for like every kit that releases, but only like the really, really big ones. Alright guys, don't forget that like button, and please subscribe. We're trying to hit our 1K subscriber goal this year. Hopefully we can get there. Putting a lot of work into this channel now. I know we're pretty small still, and it's always hard to like, oh, this channel doesn't have that much subs. Should I sub to it? Waste my time. Hopefully you'll be interested in coming along for the ride. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Peace. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more mecha gaming content, be sure to click here. Or if you want to see some Gunpla content, be sure to click the button right here. I know life can be hard out there, guys, but keep your head up. Keep moving forward, and most importantly, let nothing stop you. Peace out, guys.